Action. Well, remember the old rusty Sears I'm always mentioning about, including the one that mowed that yard? Well, I'm going to go ahead and strip her down. I'm going to start with the motor. Alright, got the motor off. Got it sitting on a tire that I got for free. And it matches the size of the tires on my red MTD. Except it's got a cut in it, and I'll see if I can take the left swab and get it repaired. But anyways, got the motor off. Next is the wheels. I'll just have to gather up the mounting bolts, the blade, and the washers. Yep, got her off. No problemo. Even though it sat for a long time in PA. That means Port Angeles, Washington. Got the wheels off now. Next is the handle. That's the last thing I gotta do. Set the camera down here. There was no pins on it when I got it. There we go. Maybe I'll save the handle for a spare or something. Or a backup. Never know. Yeah. Alright, now let's go toss it in the junk pile. Ouch. Like a metal's trying to scratch me. Yep, the Coast to Coast met its doom. If I would have not have got the 94 Craftsman, I bet it would still have its motor on it. There's that piece of crap Murray Ryder. Ouch. Whew. There. Yeah, you're going to go back to the melting pot to be another brand new mower. Bummer it's not like the ones that like they made you. Well, there you go. The old rusty Craftsman teardown. And you all have a good day. Bye-bye.